Hi guys, it's Haven and Eileen. As empty nesters, it's very easy to overspend at Costco, especially with the two of us.
Right. So today we're going to share simple tips on how to save money but still get everything that you need. So let's dive in and make your Costco trip smarter and cheaper.
Let's go!
Ready to get the best bang for your buck at Costco? Whether you're stocking up on household essentials or splurging on bulk goodies, we've got some tips to help save even more. We'll share how to find deals and find the best way to shop smart to maximize your budget with your Costco trip.
Before we leave for Costco, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell.
So I got my list. It's time to go in.
Alam nyo, Costco is known for its cheap bulk items. Ang number one rule sa bahay namin is for us to buy items that are on sale pa. It's double the savings.
Well, our usual strategy is to make a list of everything we need and only purchase those items when they're on
Part of it is
sale.
the Cascade, dishwasher tablet.
But you know what? If we don't need something right away, we just hold off until it goes on sale. But if it's urgent, then we go ahead and buy it. Well, to avoid those tempting impulse buys at Costco, we always make a detailed list of what we really need, just the way I did. With all the great deals they have, sticking to our list helps us stay focused and only buy what's necessary.
Grape flavor.
Great. Oh, okay.
Toto.
Isa pa strategy that we use is we check the price per unit on items. Not just the price na nakapaskil dun sa rack. Sometimes the bulk deal isn't as great as it seems, and comparing per unit can help you make smarter decisions. Another thing that we do is we go for the Kirkland products. Almost same quality or even same quality as the name brand siya, pero mas cheaper. Let's go get the rest of the items sa list ni Haven.
$20. But it's not on sale and we don't have any more,
Yeah.
right? So we have to get it. Well, again,
So
what's the rule again?
If it's on sale, then we get it. But if it's not, and it's not yet needed,
Then
but since this is needed and the last one too, the
Then
hand
we have
soap,
to get
these two, we'll be forced to buy it.
And then what else? Usually, you know what? If the toothpaste goes on sale,
Mm-hmm.
we buy and then we stock it up.
But if it's not,
If it's not,
we don't brush our teeth. Just gargle, and then go to the dentist.
at least you could use this one.
Well, at least we have mouthwash.
Mouthwash.
Well, Costco samples are great for satisfying your cravings while you shop. But be careful. Don't feel pressured to buy the product right away. If it's not on your list, just skip it.
Love the samples. Pampalipas gutom kasi yan at saka ng cravings na rin. Kaya tanggal ang temptation to buy. Another tip, skip the pre-cut or pre-packaged items. Instead, buy whole fruits, vegetables, or meats and cut it yourself. Siyempre, pre-prepared items are more expensive because of the convenience that it gives you. Tulad ng romaine na to, buy the bulk and just cut it yourself and make your own salad. Ang laki talaga ng mura. As far as the meat naman, if you think it's a lot, you can just divide it into smaller portions and freeze it for later use. Pwede pa nga siguro tong 3 or 4 lutuan eh.
So here is what we use. We use cress and it's not on sale. So what's the rule, Haven?
No sale, no deal.
And lastly, if you buy something and you see it go on sale within 30 days, Costco will refund you the price difference. Just show your receipt, and if you happen not to have it, you can show your credit card. It's an easy way to save without doing anything extra.
Shopping smart at Costco is all about making intentional choices. Don't get distracted by flashy deals or samples. Stick to buying items on sale. Focus on the unit price and avoid paying for convenience like prepackaged foods. Opt for Costco's own Kirkland brand to get the same quality at a lower price. And if you see an item go on sale after you've bought it, claim that price difference. With the simple strategies, you can make every Costco trip more cost-effective. Remember, saving money isn't just about what you buy, it's about how you buy.
Anyway, thanks for tuning in to our Costco shopping tips. Remember, if you have any more tips or anything to share with us, just drop it in the comments.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!